All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the Star Atlas coin, okay? This is Atlas slash USD. All right. So what we have is a little bit of something known as bullish divergence. Okay, guys. Bullish divergence is when the price of the coin or stock you're looking at is making lower lows, indicated by this trend line right here. We have a low and a lower low. But on the RSI, you have a low and a higher low. Okay. So you have lower lows on the price, and then you have higher lows on the RSI. That's what's known as hidden or bullish divergence, right? So we could start to see Atlas recover. Okay, Star Atlas could start to recover. That would be nice. We are currently looking at the 4-hour chart, by the way. So each candlestick represents 4 hours of time. And what I have charted up here is going to be some monthly and weekly support and resistance levels. Now these are going to be very, very strong. Okay, being that they're from they're strong weekly or monthly support and resistance levels. They're going to be much stronger than like a 15-minute or 1-hour support and resistance level, for instance. All right, I'll go ahead and give them to you right now. Okay, so currently we broke 0.102 as from support to where it's now our resistance. Okay, so we're trading underneath there right now. That's going to be our first resistance level we need to get above is 0.102, right? If we get rejected at 0.102, then we make trade sideways and consolidate, okay, and drop back down possibly even to 0.079, okay? Now below 0.079, we have another support at 0.072, and below there, our next major support level is going to be 0.057. Okay, so I'm not super bearish thinking that everything is going to dump, but I am prepared for those if they do happen. I want to know where the strong levels that they're going to bounce at. Okay, that's why I have those charted up. I don't have it charted up to tell you guys that, hey, it's going to go from 9 cents right now down to 5 cents. So go sell everything. Okay. Just giving you guys the levels. If you want to know how to draw your own support and resistance levels on your own, I have a great strategy and tutorial in the top right-hand corner. You can watch that video. It'll really help you out a lot with learning how to draw support and resistance. Okay. Now, our blue line, okay, is going to be our breakout level. So above my breakout level, I think we're in bullish territory, okay? Where we can try to make some, possibly higher highs, okay? Possibly try to recover, get up to these all-time highs, or, find resistance up here at some of these levels around 19. We got another one around 16, and one right here around 15.8. So, once we get above 0.126, all right, that's my breakout level. Then we are going to be in some bullish territory, and we can go ahead and look to see, if how high we're going to go, basically. All right, if we're going to make new all-time highs, or if we're going to get near them and face resistance and drop. Okay, so just remember, so 0.102, that's our current strong resistance level we need to get past right now. Okay, if we can't get past 0.102, we're going to either be dropping lower or consolidating and trading sideways. Okay. Now, once we flip 0.102 from support and resistance, the breakout level is going to be 0.126. All right. So once we get past 0.126, we're going to be in bullish territory. And, you can enter now and, trade from here up to 0.126, most definitely. Okay. I'm not here to try to tell you guys how to trade or what to trade. But, just trying to give you guys a nice little update on the ticker. All right. So if you guys have any other cryptos you guys want me to analyze, if you guys have a stock you want me to analyze, if you need some help maybe with the strategy or, need a little bit of a tutorial, I'd be happy to do that for you. Okay. Just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you found any value in this video, that would really help me out a lot. And, that's a great way to support the channel. Okay.